Let us bust bank. They're like, they tried. You know what? We all three have to go at the same time.
Yeah, they can't take us all.
They can't take us all on. Oh my gosh, Snowy. Alright, you know what? We win!
Easy.
Easy, let's
Holy
go. Easy,
keys.
Doja.
Holy.
Roka. You know what? I think this is where we ended, right? This is where we ended.
Let's do snap 5,000. Yeah.
Let's do that 5,000 time. Alright, I'll wait for you to do the first set. I'll see if when I lag. Wait, are you ready,
No,
B?
no, no. Everyone get it. Everyone get it ready. Yeah.
No,
3,
it's Snowy.
2,
Copy
1.
and paste it, by the way.
Go.
Go. Oh my gosh, we already see one zap. I actually got hit from someone. I think I got hit from a zap.
So true.
Still to this day, I'm spamming. I died.
I'm still alive.
I died from some random person. My Roblox is just now updating. I got pinged in lounge. This is not good. This is not good. I got pinged in lounge. I killed you. Ha ha ha. Ah. Did you like mean to smite me?